drop it comes. That'll go in the very front rod holder. You're going to leave your reel on the outside of the fork.
Where you want to be, Dave? Okay.
Beautiful sunrise. You ever hit side stripers on this?
Yeah, occasionally we'll catch smallmouth bass or walleye or catfish.
All right.
Usually that's when we're fishing closer to the shoreline, though. When you're out here in the open water like this, it's usually stripers.
Yeah.
It's just a downline, no planer board or anything.
Okay.
All
Right.
These are the same fish that are saltwater that you catch out in the ocean.
Aren't they a hybrid?
No, these are full-blood
Oh,
stripers.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I was mistaken all this time. I thought they were a cross between a rock bass and something else.
Yeah, they can live either one.
Okay. There's this one over here.
All right, stop right there just for a second, Dave, before you go any farther.
Yep.
You definitely had a hit. I looked back and didn't see your planer board anywhere. All right, now roll it on in, David. There you go.
Zoom in, Gary. Gee. See him blow up out here.
Right.
Oh my. Dang, Gary.
Good job.
Good job, bro.
Holy shit. That fish is 36 inches long.
Dang. Hello, hello.
Jeez, that is a good fish. That's as long as your leg, boy.
Jeez, man.
Good Lord, look at that thing.
Son of a gun.
That was a good one.
Holy cow. All right, Gary, I gotta get a picture of you holding this. Good job, brother.
That was like so much wore me out.